Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my February 2018 sticker kits. I'm actually really excited about this video because my February sticker kits are gorgeous, if I must say so myself. So yeah, this is the monthly spread so far. I just put in a little bit of stuff. I'm using some pink stickers like usual, and I just use the stickers from the back of the planner, the Erin Condren planner, to do my sidebar. I use these. I actually got this idea from Trinity, so yeah. This is my notes page. I did the whole year already, so you won't get to see Plan With Me's on this. But I don't think Plan With Me's on this spread will be very interesting because it's literally all I do. I fill it in as I go along. But anyway, now flipping to the first week in January, I plan to use this kit from Formless design called Rose. I actually got this from Trinity. She sent it to me. She purchased it and sent it to me, and I sent her money for shipping and the actual stickers and stuff like that. Now this whole kit was $4, and this is an 8-page kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a 9-page kit for $4. So that was insane. Formless design has some crazy deals sometimes, so you should definitely check her out. All these shops will be linked in the description box down below as well, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the first page. It just comes with your date dots, glitter headers, and appointment labels. Bottom washi, date covers, and sidebar, a weekly ombre. And it only has the weekdays, so I guess you can use it for school or work or whatever. These are the full boxes, and there's an option in her shop that you can add on a particular sheet, so I added on the full boxes because there's no way I can use this whole kit for 1 week, so yeah. I got the 2 sheets of the full boxes, which are absolutely stunning. I love the gold glitter accents. I think they're really gorgeous, and the black, that's a really nice touch. I thought this kit was perfect for the week, the first week where there's the blue and the pink, so yeah. Flags, teardrops, checklists, icons, labels, and headers. I already used one of the headers already, but don't mind that. A whole sheet of half boxes. This is insane. I love this page so much. Quarter boxes and third boxes. I also really like this page. Ombre heart checklist. I really like the colors actually pulled out. Deco, washi strips, and a full box. Not a full box, like a half box I guess. And yes, that is the kit. Formless designed Rose. This is for the first week in January. For the second week in January, my parents' anniversary is on the Thursday. It's actually their 20th, not their 19th. So let me cross out before I put the wrong thing in my planner. Yeah. So I plan to use this kit here from Brandys Shop called Shine. I also picked up the functional deco from Student Planning. This is from her Destiny kit, which is the same kit, just different layout, different paper, so the colors are very different. So I may not use this kit actually. I may not use this deco with it, but we'll see. But first I got the full boxes from Brandys Shop. These are stunning. I love the silver accents. And we have the assorted boxes, so 8 half boxes, 4 half box checklists, and some quarter boxes. And then for the functional deco, we have the glitter headers, glitter flags, sidebar stuff, and then some deco. Like I said, I'm not too sure if I'm going to use it because the colors are very different. Like this is the same girl, but the colors are just very different, so we'll see. But this is for the second week in February. For the third week in February, I plan to go to a pageant that my friend is actually in, so I thought this kit was really nice for it because the girls are very fashionista like, so yeah. This is from Toffee Bananas and it's called Luxe. The deco is stunning. I love it. There are 2 girls, a dark skin one and a light skin one. Headers, quarter boxes, habit trackers, bill-dos, checklists, and half boxes. Half boxes, 3 heart checklists, and glitter headers. Bottom washi and washi strips. Toffee Bananas bottom washi always makes me wish that I planned like this, that I could use bottom washi. Your gorgeous full boxes and some quarter boxes down at the bottom, or more like appointment labels. Your ombre heart checklist and quarter boxes at the bottom. Checklists, icons, flags, and more shapes. I would say this is a functional deco and some scripts. I love this movie marquee, and I love the large laptop as well. I love her geotag stickers. I feel like she should sell a whole sheet of those. I love the desk too, that's really cute. I honestly love everything here. And there's a mailer and some planners, I like that. Date dots, date covers, sidebar stuff, checklist, a weekend banner, and some quarter boxes. And then lastly we have your little things. So this kit is really large, and I don't plan to use all of it 1 week. I plan to pick up some more full boxes from another shop, or if she starts selling her kits a la carte, from her as well, so I can split this into 2 or 3 weeks because it is a really large kit. So this is Toffee Banana Luxe. For the last full week in February, I'm doing a collab with someone really special, so get excited about that. At first I was planning to use this kit here from the sticker shop called Penny, but the person that I'm collabing with, she uses long checklists, so I didn't think, oh, this kit doesn't come with long checklists, it just comes with the shorter ones, so I don't think this is going to work. So I'm most likely going to be using this kit here from Cricut Paper Co, and this matches her planning style perfectly. And because I said that, you probably know who I'm talking about, but you'll see in a couple weeks if you stay tuned, so definitely subscribe to see that video. But this is a mini kit from Cricut Paper Co. I'm not sure what it's called, but the person I'm collabing with sent it to me. Yeah, so thank you so much. I'm not going to say your name, but thank you. I got 4 full boxes, 4 half boxes, 7 heart checklists, some teardrops, a weekend banner, and a lazy day sticker. I've used 2 of these mini kits before and I really like the setup, so this matches her planning style almost perfectly, so I'm excited about that. And for the bottom washi, since I'm using her planning style, I'm going to be using this washi tape layered with this one most likely. This pink doesn't really match, but we'll see. Yeah, so I'm excited about this collab, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss this video. Okay, so that is it for my February 2018 sticker kits. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see plan with me on any of these sticker kits, definitely subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know what is your favorite sticker kit from this video and which plan with me you're most excited about. I'm honestly not too sure. Probably about the collab or the first full week. Not too sure, but we'll see. And yes, I really hope you have an amazing day or night or afternoon, whatever time of the day it is where you are, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!